Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Finance Healthy Luxuries Channel, your destination for financial wisdom and opulent living. Today, we're taking an exciting journey into the world of wealth building, focusing on 10 assets that have the potential to make you incredibly rich. Wealth isn't just about making money. It's about strategically investing in assets that grow your wealth over time. Asset allocation is the key to building a strong and diversified financial portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a novice just dipping your toes into the world of finance, understanding and leveraging these 10 assets can be a game changer in your wealth building journey. From real estate and stocks to intellectual property and education, each of these assets, when leveraged wisely, can unlock the door to financial abundance. So without further ado, let's dive into the first asset. You for joining us on this exploration of wealth-building assets. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Finance Healthy Luxuries channel for more insights at the intersection of finance, health, and opulence. Our first asset is real estate, a classic wealth-building cornerstone. The allure of real estate as an asset is twofold. First, it's a tangible asset, something you can touch, see, and utilize. This tangibility brings a sense of security that paper assets like stocks or bonds simply cannot provide. Secondly, real estate offers the potential for both cash flow and appreciation. Strategic investments in property can generate passive income through rental returns, creating a steady stream of income that bolsters your financial health. Over time, properties generally appreciate, growing your wealth in the long term. Plus, real estate is a versatile asset. Whether it's residential, commercial, or land, each offers unique opportunities for wealth creation. But remember, the key lies in strategic investment. Understanding market dynamics, location potential, and property valuation is crucial. Now let's transition to our next asset, stocks. See, stocks represent ownership in companies. When you purchase a stock, you're buying a piece of a company's future earnings and assets. The stock market is a dynamic arena where businesses raise capital and investors aim to grow their wealth. Investing in stocks is a dual-pronged approach to wealth building. First, there's capital appreciation, where the value of the stock increases over time. For instance, if you buy a share for $20 and it rises to $30, you've just earned a 50% return on your investment. Second, some stocks pay dividends, a portion of the company's earnings distributed to shareholders. This is essentially passive income that can be reinvested or taken as cash. It's like having a slice of a company's success delivered to your doorstep. So, investing in stocks can provide opportunities for both capital appreciation and dividends, contributing to your long-term wealth. Next, we'll explore the world of digital assets. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a unique asset class. In the digital age, these decentralized, blockchain-based assets have begun to play a significant role in the global financial landscape. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond, cryptocurrencies offer a new frontier for wealth building. The allure of cryptocurrency lies in its potential for substantial returns. Early adopters of Bitcoin, for instance, have seen their investments grow exponentially. While the market is volatile, savvy investors who understand the risks and rewards of digital assets can leverage this potential to their advantage. Moreover, cryptocurrency's role in a modern wealth-building portfolio cannot be overstated. As we move towards a more digital world, having a portion of your wealth in digital assets like cryptocurrency could be an effective wealth diversification strategy. Remember, it's not just about jumping on the bandwagon, but understanding the wave and riding it to your advantage. Moving on, let's talk about tangible assets. Gold, silver, and other precious metals have been storehouses of value for centuries. Unlike paper currencies, these tangible assets have inherent value that doesn't diminish over time. In fact, during times of economic turbulence, the value of precious metals often increases, providing a reliable haven for investors. But why is it that these metals hold such enduring worth? Well, their value stems from their scarcity and unique properties, such as their ability to conduct electricity and resist corrosion. These factors make them indispensable in various industries, from electronics to aerospace. Moreover, precious metals act as an effective hedge against inflation. As the cost of living rises, so too does the value of these metals, allowing investors to preserve their purchasing power. Investing in precious metals can therefore offer a sense of security, a tangible link to wealth that you can hold in your hand. So it's not just about the glitter, it's about the assurance of value. Next, we delve into the realm of business ownership. Owning a business can be a powerful asset. When you run your own venture, you're not just working for a paycheck, you're building an asset that can grow and develop over time. The potential for significant returns is one of the most exciting aspects of entrepreneurial wealth. Unlike a job where your income is tied to the hours you work, a business can generate income around the clock, even while you sleep. But it's not just about the financial returns. There's a deep satisfaction that comes from building something from the ground up, from seeing your ideas come to life, and knowing that you're contributing to the economy and creating jobs. This is the essence of building wealth through entrepreneurship. It's about more than money. It's about creating value, impacting lives, and leaving a legacy. Now, let's shift gears to intellectual property. Intellectual property, including patents, copyrights, and trademarks, can be valuable assets. This is where creativity meets commerce, where your innovative ideas can translate into a steady stream of income. Consider the author who pens a bestseller, the musician who composes a chart-topping hit, or the inventor who patents a revolutionary gadget. Each of these individuals is monetizing their intellectual property, but it's not just about the big wins. Even modest creative pursuits can contribute to your overall wealth. A hobbyist photographer might license their images for use in advertising, or a coder could develop a popular app. The key is to recognize the value in your unique skills and ideas, and to find ways to monetize them. Remember, in a world increasingly driven by innovation and originality, your creative potential could be your most lucrative asset. Next up, we'll discuss the value of collectibles. From art to vintage cars, collectibles can be both a passion and an investment. This asset category is often overlooked, but can be an exciting and rewarding part of your wealth-building journey. It's all about transforming love for certain items into potential wealth generators. Think about it. That painting you adore, the vintage watch you can't take your eyes off, or the limited edition sneakers you're so fond of, they could all be part of your financial portfolio. Unlike other investments, collectibles offer a unique joy. The thrill of the hunt, the pleasure of ownership, and the potential for appreciation. But remember, investing in collectibles requires knowledge, patience, and an understanding of the market. It's not just about buying what you love, but about knowing what others will love too. And the best part? You're investing in something you're passionate about, making the journey just as rewarding as the destination. Moving on, let's talk about bonds. Bonds provide fixed income stability to a diversified portfolio. But what does that really mean? Well, when you purchase a bond, you're essentially lending money to an entity, be it a corporation or government. In return, they promise to pay you a fixed rate of interest over a set period and return your initial investment at the end of that period. This makes bonds a predictable and steady source of income, a safety net in the stormy sea of investments. This predictability can be particularly appealing in times of economic uncertainty. Not only do bonds offer steady returns, but they also play a vital role in reducing overall portfolio risk. Having a mix of assets like stocks and bonds can help cushion the blow if one sector of the market takes a hit. So if you're looking for a stable asset to balance out your portfolio, bonds may be just the ticket. Now we'll shift gears and talk about investing in yourself through education. Education is an often overlooked asset, yet it's one of the most powerful investments you can make. When you invest in your knowledge and skills, you're not just enhancing your resume or increasing your employability. You're equipping yourself with the tools to navigate the world of finance with confidence and discernment. Consider this: by expanding your understanding of investment strategies, you're better prepared to make informed decisions that can lead to greater wealth accumulation. By learning about economics, you can anticipate market trends and adjust your financial strategies accordingly. And by developing new skills, you're opening doors to higher earning opportunities. Education doesn't just mean formal degrees. It encompasses online courses, self-guided learning, mentorships, and real-world experiences. In essence, it's a lifelong commitment to growth and learning. So before you allocate your resources elsewhere, consider investing in yourself. After all, your ability to earn, learn, and grow is the backbone of your financial success. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate wealth asset, your health and wellness. So, your health is your ultimate wealth asset. A well-oiled machine, your body is capable of incredible things when properly taken care of. Investing in your health isn't about spending extravagant amounts on luxury treatments. Rather, it's about fostering a lifestyle that promotes well-being and longevity. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, sufficient rest, and stress management are all crucial components of this investment. Moreover, a healthy body is complemented by a healthy mind. Engaging in activities that stimulate your intellect and boost your mental health is equally important. The returns on this investment are immeasurable. A longer, more fulfilling life allows you to enjoy the fruits of your other investments. You get more time to spend with loved ones, see the world, and simply relish the richness of existence. Truly, health is the greatest luxury. And that wraps up our list of 10 assets that can make you rich. Remember, building wealth is not just about making money, it's about strategic asset allocation. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Goodbye.